Hello friends, in today's lecture we have to discuss about Unit 3 Vector Space and Linear Transformation. એમાંથી પહેલું ચેપ્ટર છે વેક્ટર સ્પેસ. હવે definition of vector space. Let F be a field, a non-empty set VF together with two binary operations, vector addition and scalar multiplication is called a vector space over the field F if the following conditions are satisfied. Number 1. V is closed with respect to addition. That means for all x, y belongs to V implies x plus y belongs to V. Number 2. Addition is commutative in V. That means x plus y is equal to y plus x for all x, y belongs to V. Number 3. Addition is associative in V. That means x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z for all x, y, z belongs to V. હવે number 4. There exists a unique vector 0 called 0 vector in V such that x plus 0 is equal to 0 plus x is equal to x for all x belongs to V. 0 એ સરવાળા માટેનો આઇડેન્ટિટી એલિમેન્ટ છે. એને કોઈ બી એલિમેન્ટમાં એડ કરીએ તો સેમ એલિમેન્ટ મળે છે. નંબર 5. ફોર એની x belongs to V, there exists a unique vector minus x belongs to V called additive inverse such that x plus minus x is equal to 0. Minus x એ x નો એડિટિવ ઇન્વર્સ થશે એટલે કે x plus minus x is equal to 0. For all x belongs to V, alpha belongs to F. Alpha dot x belongs to V. x એ V નો એલિમેન્ટ હોય, alpha એ F નો એલિમેન્ટ હોય તો alpha dot x આપણને V માં મળે. Number 7. Distributive law hold in V. That means alpha dot x plus y is equal to alpha dot x plus alpha dot y and alpha plus beta dot x is equal to alpha dot x plus beta dot x. Number 8. Alpha beta x is equal to alpha beta x for all alpha comma beta belongs to F for all x belongs to V. And number 9. For the unit element 1 belongs to F, 1 dot x is equal to x for all x belongs to V. જો આ 9 કન્ડિશન સેટિસ્ફાઈડ થાય તો ઇટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ એ વેક્ટર સ્પેસ. હવે the elements of V are called vectors and the elements of F are called scalars. For F is equal to R, V is called real vector space. For F is equal to C, V is called complex vector space. The space V is equal to 0 is called the null space. And these are all vector spaces with respect to usual addition and multiplication. V is equal to R square is equal to A, B ટપલ્સના ફોર્મમાં છે where AB belongs to R is a vector space over the field R where the addition and scalar multiplication are defined as a1, a2, b1, b2 belongs to R2, a1, a2 plus b1, b2 is equal to a1 plus b1, a2 plus b2, and alpha a1, a2 is equal to alpha a1, alpha a2. Alpha belongs to R. Similarly, V is equal to R cube is a vector space. In general, V is equal to R raised to n is equal to a1, a2, a3, up to an, where ai belongs to R, 1 less or equal I less or equal R is also a vector space. Definition of subspace. Let VF be a vector space. A non-empty subset W of V is called subspace of V if W itself is a vector space over F with respect to the binary operations of vector addition and scalar multiplication in V. બાઇનરી ઓપરેશન વેક્ટર એડિશન અને સ્કેલર મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશનની સાપેક્ષમાં W પોતે પણ વેક્ટર સ્પેસ થાય તો Wને Vનો સબસ્પેસ કહે છે. હવે લિનિયર કોમ્બિનેશનની ડેફિનેશન છે. લેટ V બી એ વેક્ટર સ્પેસ એન્ડ x1, x2, up to xn belongs to V for any vector x is equal to alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 x2 plus up to plus alpha n xn is equal to summation I running from 1 to n alpha I xi belongs to V is called linear combination of vectors x1, x2 up to xn, where alpha I belongs to F and I is equal to 1 to up to n. હવે linear span. Let S be a non-empty subset of a vector space V. The span of S is defined as the set consisting of all linear combinations of a finite subset of the element of S. It is denoted by span S. Therefore, span S is equal to X, where X is equal to summation I running from 1 to n alpha I xi. Xi belongs to S, alpha I belongs to F. હવે result. A non-empty subset W of a vector space V is a subspace of V if and only if x, y belongs to W and alpha belongs to F, x plus y belongs to W and alpha dot x belongs to W. હવે થિયરમ છે. A non-empty subset W of a vector space V is a subspace of V if and only if x, y belongs to W and alpha, beta belongs to F implies alpha dot x plus beta dot y belongs to W. ઇફ એન્ડ ઓનલી ઇફ છે તો થિયરમ 2 પાર્ટમાં પ્રૂવ થશે. હવે પ્રૂફ જોઈશું. સપોઝ a non-empty subset W of a vector space V is a subspace of V. અને સાબિત કરવાનું છે કે x, y belongs to W and alpha, beta belongs to F implies alpha dot x plus beta dot y belongs to W. By definition of vector space, alpha belongs to F, x belongs to W implies alpha dot x belongs to W and beta belongs to F, y belongs to W implies beta dot y belongs to W. હવે એ બંનેનું એડિશન કરવાનું છે. આલ્ફા ડોટ એક્સ પ્લસ બીટા ડોટ વાય તો એ પણ ડબલ્યુમાં આવશે. ધેરફોર આલ્ફા ડોટ એક્સ પ્લસ બીટા ડોટ વાય બિલોંગ્સ ટુ ડબલ્યુ. હવે કન્વર્સ પાર્ટ. કન્વર્સલી suppose a non-empty subset W of a vector space V such that x, y belongs to W and alpha, beta belongs to F implies alpha dot x plus beta dot y belongs to W. અને સાબિત કરવાનું છે કે a non-empty subset W of a vector space V is a subspace of V. હવે taking alpha is equal to beta is equal to 1 તો આમાં alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 1 put કરો. 1 dot x પ્લસ 1 dot y belongs to W. હવે 1 dot x એટલે x અને 1 dot y એટલે y. Therefore x plus y belongs to W. હવે taking beta is equal to 0 તો આમાં બીટાની વેલ્યુ 0 મૂકો. Therefore alpha dot x plus beta dot 0 belongs to W implies alpha dot x belongs to W. હવે therefore by above theorem a non-empty subset W of a vector space V is a subspace of V if and only if x, y belongs to W and alpha belongs to F, x plus y belongs to W and alpha dot x belongs to W. W is a subspace of V. Hence, prove the theorem. Now, second theorem. The intersection of two subspaces W1 and W2 of a vector space V is also a subspace of V. W1 એ સબસ્પેસ છે, W2 એ સબસ્પેસ છે, તો એ બંનેનું ઇન્ટરસેક્શન કરીએ તો એ પણ સબસ્પેસ થાય. પ્રૂફ. Let W1 and W2 be two subspace of vector space V. and to prove that W1 intersection W2 is a subspace of V. Suppose x comma y belongs to W1 intersection W2 and alpha comma beta belongs to F, implies x comma y belongs to W1 and x comma y belongs to W2. કારણ કે ઇન્ટરસેક્શનમાં હોય તો એ W1માં પણ હોય અને W2માં પણ હોય and alpha comma beta belongs to F. But W1 and W2 are subspace of V. હવે subspace હોય તો આગળના થિયરમ ઉપરથી a non-empty subset W of a vector space V is a subspace of V if and only if x comma y belongs to W and alpha comma beta belongs to F, implies alpha dot x plus beta dot y belongs to W. તો અહીં alpha dot x plus beta dot y belongs to W1 and alpha dot x plus beta dot y belongs to W2. હવે alpha dot x plus beta dot y એ W1માં પણ છે અને W2માં પણ છે. તો alpha dot x plus beta dot y belongs to W1 intersection W2. Therefore, W1 intersection W2 is a subspace of V. Hence, prove the theorem. હવે નોટ છે. The union of two subspaces of a vector space V is not necessarily a subspace of V. Consider the following example. Let W1 is equal to A00 where A belongs to R and W2 is equal to 0B0 where B belongs to R. Be two subspaces of the vector space V is equal to R3. હવે બંનેનું યુનિયન કરવાનું છે. Therefore, W1 union W2 is equal to x is equal to A00 or x is equal to 0A0 for all A belongs to R. Let x comma y belongs to W1 union W2. Then let x is equal to A00 belongs to W1 or y is equal to 0B0 belongs to W2. યુનિયનમાં છે એનો મતલબ એક્સમાં છે અથવા વાયમાં છે વેર એ બી બિલોંગ્સ ટુ આર. હવે ફોર આલ્ફા બીટા બિલોંગ્સ ટુ આર, આલ્ફા ડોટ એક્સ પ્લસ બીટા ડોટ વાય ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ આલ્ફા ડોટ A00 પ્લસ બીટા ડોટ 0B0 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ આલ્ફા A beta B 0 not belongs to W1 union W2. Therefore, W1 union W2 is not a subspace of R cube. હવે થિયરમ છે, if W1 and W2 are two subspace of vector space V, then W1 union W2 is a subspace of V if and only if either W1 subset of W2 or W2 subset of W1. ઇફ એન્ડ ઓનલી ઇફ છે તો થિયરમ બે પાર્ટમાં પ્રૂવ કરવાનું થશે. એમાં પહેલા પાર્ટમાં let W1 and W2 be two subspace of vector space V such that W1 subset of W2 or W2 subset of W1. અને પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે કે W1 union W2 is a subspace of V. હવે હાઇપોથેસિસમાં if W1 subset of W2, then W1 union W2 is equal to W2 is a subspace of V. If W2 subset of W1, then W1 union W2 is equal to W1 and W1 is a subspace of V. Now conversely, suppose W1 union W2 is a subspace of V, and to prove either W1 subset of W2 or W2 subset of W1. હવે કન્વર્સ પાર્ટ છે એ આપણે કોન્ટ્રાડિક્શનથી પ્રૂવ કરીશું. કોન્ટ્રાડિક્શનથી પ્રૂવ કરવા માટે જે પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે એનાથી બિલકુલ ઉલટું રિઝલ્ટ ધારી લઈશું. If possible, suppose W1 is not a subset of W2 and W2 is not a subset of W1. હવે W1 is not a subset of W2 છે તો X belongs to W1, X not belongs to W2 and Y belongs to W2 and Y not belongs to W1 because W1 is not a subset of W2. હવે therefore X, Y belongs to W1 union W2 and W1 union W2 is a subspace of V implies X plus Y belongs to W1 union W2. હવે યુનિયનમાં છે એનો મિનિંગ X plus Y એ W1માં છે અથવા X plus Y એ W2માં છે. implies X plus Y belongs to W1 or X plus Y belongs to W2. Now X belongs to W1, X plus Y belongs to W1 implies X plus Y minus X belongs to W1. હવે plus X minus X cancel. Therefore Y belongs to W1. તો આપણને કોન્ટ્રાડિક્શન મળ્યું. સિન્સ Y not belongs to W1 x plus y belongs to W2 and y belongs to W2 implies x plus y minus y belongs to W2. Implies x belongs to W2. Again contradiction. Since x not belongs to W2, hence our assumption is wrong. Therefore, either W1 subset of W2 or W2 subset of W1. Hence, prove the theorem. Now, next theorem. If W1 and W2 are two subspace of vector space V, then W1 plus W2 is subspace of V. Proof. Here, to prove W1 plus W2 is a subspace of V. હવે W1 plus W2 is equal to x plus y, where x belongs to W1 and y belongs to W2. So, W1 plus W2 is equal to x plus y, x belongs to W1, y belongs to W2 is a subspace of V. એવું સાબિત કરવાનું છે. Since W1 and W2 are two subspace of vector space V. તો subspace non-empty હોય, therefore W1 not is equal to 5 and W2 not is equal to 5. Let x belongs to W1, y belongs to W2. Then x plus y belongs to W1 plus W2. Therefore, W1 plus W2 not is equal to 5. W1 plus W2 એ ખાલી કોણ નથી. Suppose u is equal to x1 plus x2, v is equal to y1 plus y2 belongs to W1 plus W2 and alpha comma beta belongs to f, where x1 comma y1 belongs to W1 and x2 comma y2 belongs to W2. Now, W1 and W2 are subspace of V. A non-empty subset W of a vector space V is a subspace of V if and only if x, y belongs to W and alpha, beta belongs to F implies alpha dot x plus beta dot y belongs to W. Therefore, alpha dot x1 plus beta dot y1 belongs to W1 and alpha dot x2 plus beta dot y2 belongs to W2. Therefore, alpha u plus beta v is equal to alpha u is equal to x1 plus x2 plus beta v is equal to y1 plus y2 is equal to alpha dot x1 plus beta dot y1 plus alpha dot x2 plus beta dot y2. Alpha dot x1 plus beta dot y1 belongs to w1 and alpha dot x2 plus beta dot y2 belongs to w2. तो alpha dot x1 plus beta dot y1 plus alpha dot x2 plus beta dot y2 belongs to w1 plus w2. Therefore, w1 plus w2 is a subspace of V. Hence, prove the theorem.